Hey guys, it's Warren here, and today we are making delicious baked Hasselback potatoes. This has a really tasty, crispy cheese and bacon topping, and trust me, this is the ultimate comfort food recipe. Now, to start with, take 3 washed baking potatoes. Then, carefully using a sharp knife, begin slicing downwards into each potato. Make each incision about ½ centimetre apart, being sure not to slice all the way to the bottom of the potato. Next, take a baking tin and line it with some greaseproof or parchment paper. Place in the baking potatoes, then melt 25 grams worth of butter, either in the microwave or on the stove over a low heat. And now brush the butter all over the potatoes. You then need to place them into an oven that's been preheated to 200 degrees centigrade, which is 390 Fahrenheit, and leave them in the oven to bake for about 45 minutes. And meanwhile, we'll prepare the toppings for our Hasselback potatoes. So take 2 garlic cloves, peel and finely chop. Add the garlic to a bowl along with 1 rasher of smoked back bacon chopped up into small pieces. Also add 40 grams of grated cheddar cheese, then briefly mix these ingredients together. Now, after 45 minutes of baking in the oven, remove your Hasselback potatoes. Coat them again in another layer of hot butter, then evenly split your cheesy bacon mixture on top of each of the potatoes. And once all the potatoes have their topping on, place them back into the oven for between 15 and 20 minutes. Be sure to keep an eye on them as well to make sure that cheese and bacon isn't burning. So when your Hasselback potatoes have a lovely crispy and golden topping and they're cooked through, remove them from the oven. Then simply serve them drizzled with some sour cream and finely chopped spring onions. And that's it. Simply, that's how easy it is to make these delicious baked Hasselback potatoes at home. Now, if you loved the look of this recipe, remember to give this video a thumbs up and check out more of my recipes by clicking on one of the videos on the screen.